Okay, guys, this is card number 2. This is a fun one. I really like this one. I think it would be fun with different things on it. So, like a happy birthday or something like that. Maybe a big, sending you thoughts, sending you good thoughts or something across the top front of it. So, but inside is our piece of basic white. And you are going to need to cut. So you're going to cut 2 sheets. While I put this in here, I'll tell you. You're going to cut 2 sheets of the snowflake, 2 pieces of the snowflake one, not sheets, but pieces of the snowflake one. And they are 4 1/4 by 1 inch. And then the other side of the snowflake one is a dark green. And so you're going to cut 2 more that are 3 by 1 inch. So once you've cut all 4 of those, then you're ready to start the front. So what I did is, and then you have one piece that is 1 7/8 inch by 3 1/8. 3 1/8, yeah. So what I did is I started here and I just kind of laid out, these are my snowflakes. They're going to go there and there. These are my other side of snowflake, and they're going to go there and there. And then this is going to go in the center. So now I'm ready to glue. I'm going to use my tape for this. And I'm going to start by placing my snowflake up here and just leaving a little edge all the way around. And that's about as crooked as it comes. Okay, and then I'm going to put my next one on down here. So you're going to kind of work your way around, just leaving a little bit of an edge around. That one should have gone a little higher and a little further over. And you guys will do much better than I am because I'm at the end of this and, you know, it's like, okay, I'm ready to be done. You guys ever feel that way? I'm so ready to be done. Yeah. So these measurements are correct. It's just because I left such a big gap up here. And so these are going to be closer on the inside, which is fine. Everybody does it differently. And so that's okay. Actually, that came out kind of nice with that little gap in there. I like that. It's not as big as the other gap that I had. So if you want a bigger gap, I would recommend you cut them at 7/8 of an inch instead. And this is going to fit right in the center. Yeah. Whoops. Almost put the adhesive on the wrong side. Just like that. Okay, then we have this little piece that has been cut with the decal dies, the decal rectangle dies, the decal dies, I think they're just called decal dies. And on that, I'm going to stamp the thinking of you. Now I use this thinking of you again in later on, but this time I'm going to use it in Evening Evergreen as soon as I find it. I have 3 stacks of ink pads here. So let's get our Evening Evergreen. Thinking of you. And this does have a right and wrong side. The wrong side is cute too. It's not bad at all. So, but the right side, the cutting makes it go downward, and so that's how you know what the right side is. So let me just clean off my stamp. All right, this is going to go on with dimensionals. And then I'm going to put 4 of those on here because I have the snowflakes that are going to go on too, and I want that, actually I'm going to put 5. I want the cardstock to stand up. I don't want it to smash down when I put the snowflakes on. One of my snowflakes did that, and I don't like the way it looks. So I'm going to make sure it stands up this time. And just put that right there in the center. And then you should have 2 little gold snowflakes, a blue one and a white one. Did I lose my white one? I think I've lost my white one. It's probably on the floor. No. Okay, let me see if I have another one. I do. I have another little white snowflake over here. It's probably in the bottom of my basket. I've been moving these around so much. Okay, so then I'm going to attach these. First I want to push out my chads, and I'm going to attach these with glue dots right onto my card. So this one, wow, that glue dot stuck. It's going to go right there. See how I want to pop it up? I don't want it to smash down. That's why I put those dimensionals right on the corners there. Okay, and then this one's going to go on the bottom corner. And you could take and put a little wink of Stella on these. That would be really pretty. Make them shimmery. Okay, this glue dot's not cooperating. There we go. I'm going to grab my wink of Stella and do that. See if I can do it without getting it all over the place. That's pretty. And I think I'll do it on this one too. If you're going to do this, do it before you put it on. It works better. Guaranteed. Because I'm going to end up not doing the ends and not getting as much in certain areas just because I'm trying not to get it all over the card. Okay, and then you have two little gold ones, and those little gold ones are going to go on with glue dots. And they're going to go right on the card. And then this is one of those times when I want to use 4 bling. Although you really wouldn't have to. But let me tie my bow. And we'll put that on with a glue dot. Right down here in this corner. Whoops, now my little snowflake is buried. Let's move him down if I can without destroying my DSP. Oh good, it came off. We'll just move him over a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my wink of Stella and my take your pick tool, and I think I will use these. And I'm going to put 2 large and 2 small. How about that? So then it doesn't matter. Oops, no, that needs a small. So I put 4 on that one, which is unusual. I usually only do 3. I did 3 on the original card, but I did 4 on this one. Do what you want. Do what you like. You have tons of bling, so you'll have plenty of bling for all the cards, and then some left over. You can see this is what I have left over, and I have done 2 sets. This is my second set. So, you know, you'll have plenty. Thanks, and I will see you at card number 3.